It's finally arrived! Okay, so is it too bright? Assalammualikum and hi everyone, my name is Najlaaa. So as you read the title, today I'm going to unboxing my new Apple Watch that I bought I think last week, and it took probably 5 to 6 days for it to arrive here, and it finally arrived today. The purpose of this video is not for me to brag in any way, shape or form. I just want to document this because I bought this Apple Watch with my own money. I literally saved up a lot of my money. I've even worked part-time job. So I think hard work really did pay off. So I'm really happy. Without me blabbering a lot more, let's just jump right into the unboxing. So this is the box that came in. Oh. So I bought the Apple Watch SE in the color gold. So this is the band. I bought the normal pink sand sport band. I actually planned to buy the braided solo loop, the new band that came out. But first, it's really expensive. Second, I do hear a lot of people complain that the size guide that Apple gave in the website are not quite accurate. So I'm not taking a risk. So I'm just getting this normal sport band and now for the most exciting part is this one. So as I said, I bought the Apple Watch SE in the color gold. So let's open it. That is, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Inside is this box. They also give you this template and also the charger, but this time around they don't give you an adapter. So the charger. it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching me unboxing my Apple Watch. I hope you enjoy it, and again, the intended of this video is not for me to brag in any way, shape or form. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.
There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools gladly know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards?